here.
You started again?
Start what?
Nothing.
See? Carter Mason and Rosie.
Wait. Can I be Carter?
No, because I like that name better.
I want Carter.
Yeah, but I like that name better.
But I don't want Rosie.
Neither do I.
Okay, then we're not doing that one.
Fine. We could do Nico and Grady from Sunny with a Chance.
Oh my god, yeah.
Really like.
Can I be Nico?
Okay.
Wait, which one's... Yeah, Nico.
Nico's the black one.
Grady. Ew.
I'm changing it.
I don't know why I still have that song. I hate that song so much.
Dude, you need to delete. You have 2,000 songs. I have like 800.
Yeah, and you like deleted like all your Dream Street. I'm so.
I don't have all my Dream Street still.
No, you do not.
Yeah, I do.
Nuh-uh.
Swear to God, I have all my Dream Street. Yeah. No, I don't have all my Justin McCartney. Don't listen to all of it. But I have my Dream Street. It's gonna take a while for me to find a song I like. You have so many.
I have so many good ones.
I know, but you also have so many.
Except for No Air.
If anybody doesn't have this song, they should get it.
It makes no library.
See this? Get that song. Can read it. I'm doing Siobhan's yearbook here.
Yay!
I'm not actually done with it. I have all this left to fill here.
Hi. Strawberry Orbit is so good. You don't even know. It's so good.
Yeah, this here. Product placement.
What is that? That was so weird when you named your video that. I don't get it.
You don't know what product placement is?
No.
Okay, product placement, you know when you watch shows like Gilmore Girls.